Welcome back to Bytefy, formerly known as Solution Tips. Your question may be, what is this video about? So, I have created a few Android apps, and for one of them I used a logo which I downloaded from Google Images. In the beginning it was okay, but now I feel like I have to make my own logo for a lot of reasons, such as that logo is someone else's property. I do not have the high resolution version of it, I cannot modify it. So I have decided to make one for myself and meanwhile teach you guys how you can do it. For this we will use Canva, which is available on these platforms. Let's start by clicking on create a design button on the right top of the Canva app. Search for icon or logo and click on it. Okay, our project is created. Let me get my reference logo. If you can see closely, you will see all I need is a bunch of rectangles and some text on them. Easy, right? I'm going to minimize it in a corner. As I said, all I need is a bunch of rectangles. Let's create one. For that, either go to the Elementus or just hit slash on your keyboard and the assistant will start. Now type in the shape and hit enter. You will see a lot of shapes. Click on the one you need, in this case a curved rectangle. This rectangle will be the base of our calculator icon, so adjust it and style it. Make sure it's at the center of the design by moving it. Now let's create the display of the calculator. Select the base and at the top click on the plus icon to duplicate it. Now adjust it for a display. To change the color, select it, click on the color. From the option above, choose the color you like. We also need a small shadow layer at the top of the display to give it some depth. Duplicate the display layer and make it small, then change the color and transparency. We'll fix it later. Now we need more buttons, means we have to create more rectangles. So duplicate again, adjust a rectangle as a button and then add color to them. Time to give meaning to the buttons by adding symbols on them. Go to the text section and choose any text format. Let's add the plus icon by typing in plus in the text box. Then I'm going to choose this font, which I think looks pretty cool. Duplicate and repeat for the rest of the buttons. There is no divide character in the font I used, so I'm gonna create one like this. Select all your design and resize it for a bit. We will make the divide character using a hyphen and a dot. Group them together. Restore the design size and move your divide key to its place. Also add the remaining buttons their symbols. The logo already looks good, but we can make it even better. Start adjusting and fixing colors. Time to fix the shadow layer of the display. Oh, I almost forgot, we need a 0 on the display. Duplicate, move and adjust. Let's see what we have achieved by comparing it with the old icon. I think the new design is far more better than the old one. We can try some other different options. We can use gradient colors in the buttons to give them a deadly look. If you cannot access a certain layer, just click on any layer and then from top options click on position and then click on layers. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and for more videos like this, subscribe to Bytefy now.